Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Fadi. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Python 3 interpreter in Linux operating system. So to install it, to install Python, you just need just one command on Python. So the command is sudo apt get install. This is for all packages that we want to install. We write always sudo apt get install, and then we specify the name of the package. Here we need to verify to install Python. So we write Python 3, enter. Okay. Now we install Python. Now to verify if Python has been installed or not, we can verify the version, we can verify the help. We can also run some programs using Python. Okay, so first we need to verify the help of the Python. So let's try to verify, sorry, the help of the Python. And that says, okay, so here we verify that Python has been installed on Linux. Then we can write Python 3, the version of Python. Okay. Okay, we can write also this command to verify the version. Now, the last thing that we can do when we install Python, can write some program. So let's try to write vim uh, program, for example, program. Okay, Python. Okay, .py. Okay, let's try, for example, to run some command. Okay, print hello Python. Okay, can write, for example, call for in range 1 5. Okay, uh, print I just to verify. Okay, and then we can run this program. So okay, there's some error. Ah, okay, I know. Okay, I well, okay, okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 until 6. Yeah, and that's all. If you have any question, you can ask me. And on the next video, I'm show you some details about Python. Okay, we will have a basic course for beginners for all details concern Python. Thank you very much and see you later.